Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restart or reset your Candy Crush Saga game on your Facebook account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in facebook.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Facebook website. If you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will be taken into your homepage. Now, once you are logged in order to reset the progress that you have made on your Candy Crush Saga game, you will need to remove this account from your Facebook. So in order to do this, click on your account icon at the top right corner and then click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. And now from the settings page, within the left section, scroll all the way down until you see Apps and Websites. Then click on it and now just search for the Candy Crush Saga game. Go ahead and click on the Remove button alongside it, and you will now be asked whether you are sure that you want to remove your Facebook account login with Candy Crush. Then click on Remove once again to confirm your choice. And now all of your progress within your Facebook account for Candy Crush has been deleted. Click on the See More button at the left side on your homepage and then scroll down and click on Play Games to search for Candy Crush once again. After you open it up, you will once again be asked to provide access to your Facebook account, which means that you will have to begin the game all the way from the start. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your progress and restart the Candy Crush game on your Facebook account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.